Before we start our math learning, I have a challenge for you. Get out your bag of marbles. See how many different ways you can make 3 marbles with blues and greens. For example, you might say, I'm going to use 2 blue and 1 green. Or I'm going to use 3 green and 0 blue. How many different combinations can you come up with? Let's think about how many different ways we can make 3. I can use 1 green marble and 2 blue marble. Let me write this with a number sentence. 1 green marble plus 2 blue marbles. Do you like how I'm using green and blue? Equals 3 marbles in all. How else could I do it? You can talk to the computer. Say, Miss Minion, you can. That's right. I could do 2 green marbles and 1 blue marble like that. 2 green marbles plus 1 blue marble equals 3 marbles. What more could I do? That's right, I could do 3 green marbles and 0 blue marbles. I can write that one down here. 3 plus 0 more equals 3. What more could I do? Like this? Yeah, let me write that number sentence. 0 green plus 3 blue equals 3 marbles in all. Look at those number sentences. Look at all the different ways we can make 3. Now we're going to do the same thing, but with chips. I have red chips like these. I also have yellow chips like this. We're going to write some number sentences. As we do this, I want you to think. Do you notice any patterns? How many red chips do we have here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red chips. Plus how many yellow? That's right, there are 0 yellow. Plus 0 equals how many chips in all? Equals 5 chips in all. 5 plus 0 equals 5 in all. The 5 is for the 5 red chips. The 0 is for the 0 yellow chips. We have no yellow chips. What if I do this? 1, 2, 3, 4 red chips and 1 yellow chip. Let's write that sentence. 4 red chips plus 1 yellow chip equals how many chips in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chips in all. Let's try another. What if I only have 3 red chips? 1, 2, 3, and 2 yellow. 1, 2. I have 1, 2, 3 red chips. Plus 2 yellow chips equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in all. Now, what if I only have 2 red chips? And I have 3 yellow. Now, what equation can I write? That's right, 2 red chips plus 1, 2, 3 plus 3 yellow chips equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still 5 chips in all. Now, what if I have only 1 red chip and 4 yellow chips? 1, 2, 3, 4. I can write 1 red chip plus 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow chips equals 5 chips in all still. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last one, what if I have no red chips and 5 yellow chips? I can write 0 red chips plus 5 yellow chips equals 5 chips in all. What do you see? You can say, I know this. Did you notice that we have a line of red numbers, a line of orange numbers? The orange are for the yellow. I just didn't have a yellow marker. And a line of brown numbers. What patterns do you see in the chips? You can say, I know this. Did you notice that as the red cubes get smaller, the yellow cubes get bigger? But it still always makes 5 chips. Did you notice that as the red chips get smaller, the yellow chips get bigger? But there's still 5 chips in each row. What pattern do you notice in the red numbers? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's right, they're getting smaller. What pattern do you notice in the orange numbers for the yellow? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you notice? That's right, they are getting bigger. What do you notice in the equations, the number sentences as a whole? Do you notice anything special? Did you notice that as the red number gets smaller, the orange number gets bigger, but the number in all is still the same. That makes sense. When the red number is really big, the orange number is small to make 5. When the red number is medium, the orange number is medium to make 5. When the red number is really small, like 1 or 0, the orange numbers are bigger. They're closer to 5 to make 5 in all.